What's going on, guys? This is David here. So first, before we start out the video, I wanted to say the intro's a little bit different. Thank you so much to iOS_drama for that intro. I really appreciate it, dude. But anyway, this I never thought I would say. This actually comes courtesy of Luca, the same person also known as QWERTYURIOPZ, the guy that just does not want to release anything for the life of him. He just doesn't like releasing stuff publicly. But today, out of nowhere, he released this publicly, and this is the best way to ensure that you're jailbroken on iOS 9.2 through 9.3.3 for a long time. Now, the one thing that this isn't is a jailbreak. Unfortunately, even though this might look a little bit clickbaity, like, oh, Luca actually came up with something, it's a jailbreak. Not exactly. This is a Pangu 9.3.3 loader. What that means is you don't need any of the PG clients or Pangus or PP jailbreak applications. This can all be done using a website in Safari. It's just that easy and that simple, and that's why it's called JailbreakMe. But again, this is not a real jailbreak. It doesn't install Cydia. You have to have been jailbroken already on this newest jailbreak to be able to utilize this tool. If you're on iOS 9.2 through 9.3.3 on a 64-bit device and you want to know how to jailbreak your device, I will go ahead and put a link in the description below detailing the right way to jailbreak and install Cydia. So the link will be down below in the description. It is QWERTYURIOP.com/JBMe, and then you should be able to go to that web page. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys that real quickly. Just going to go ahead and copy and paste that in case you didn't get it. It will be down below in the description, like I said. That way you guys can ensure that you go ahead and open it up, because this does utilize a Safari exploit. Actually, it utilizes the Pegasus malware exploit. But even though, if you're familiar with the Pegasus malware, even though that might sound like it's a bad thing, it's not. This is using the Pegasus malware exploit in a good light. The only unfortunate thing is, now that this is out, if your device is 64-bit and is running iOS 9.2 through 9.3.3 utilizing this jailbreak, you're going to have to be careful with what links you click on from now on. Also, be very aware of mirror links. Use the link in the description and that link only. That link can change depending on, maybe Luca decides to change up the link, but do not use this from other people. It could have malicious intentions hidden inside of it, because this is, again, the Pegasus malware exploit. So I do want to stress that. Please use the proper website when you're doing this. So now it's just as simple as pressing go, or it should be. Unfortunately, this doesn't work 100% fantastic all the time. You're going to need to try this multiple times if it fails, but we did have a message saying that the page couldn't load, so it reloads the page. So if that happens to you, like I'm saying, it keeps giving you errors, just keep doing it, keep trying, and eventually it will work. So press go again, it's going to say doing it. Eventually it will pop up with a notification telling us that it worked and we're good to go. But until then, you're just going to have to keep attempting this. And I know it gets really, really annoying. Trust me, when I was filming this video, I thought that I just somehow couldn't get it to work. It was really weird, because before I filmed the video, I got it to work. But when I was filming the video, it just wasn't working for some reason. So it might take a little while, and I know I've seen a lot of people already on Twitter saying it's not working for me, or it is working for me. A lot of people are split. So if you're going to type in the comments, it's not working for me, what do I do? Well, slow down for a minute. Keep trying. Just keep trying. Also, obviously, your device has to be 64-bit, and this has to be a device that was already jailbroken using the most recent jailbreak, which is Pangu's jailbreak for iOS 9.2 through 9.3.3. I can only stress this enough. This only works on 64-bit devices. So again, if you have anything less than an iPhone 5S, it will not work. And there we go. There's the pop-up. It says all set. Close this alert and lock your screen to continue. See you on the other side. So now we're going to do exactly that. We're just going to go ahead and press close, and then we're just going to lock our device. If you guys see a pop-up notification that says storage almost full, don't worry, it's working perfectly. So just keep waiting, and there it is. There is the loading icon, and just wait patiently. It's rebooting your device into a jailbroken state. Now again, this is very, very important. This does not actually install Cydia. This just reboots your jailbreak back into a jailbroken state. So if you're in a stock state and you want to use the Pangu app or the PG client app or the PP jailbreak app, instead of using that, this is actually a web version of that. Now, the awesome part about this is not dependent on enterprise certificates, developer certificates, any type of certificates. It's not dependent upon making sure that it's in the App Store, making sure that you have a correct Apple ID username or password, none of that stuff. This works on demand via Safari. This will never expire unless the website is taken down. This is the best permanent method that we have out there currently. Also, in case you're wondering, that was my JailbreakBusters Respring logo. If you want to know how to actually install that, there is a post on JailbreakBusters.com. But also, now that I have the time that I was talking about JailbreakBusters, when this video goes live, I'm thinking it'll probably be a little bit before the giveaway ends. But we're doing this 25-day jailbreak giveaway contest that we're holding every single day. It's currently on day 7 right now. And we're giving away Quick Center. We're giving away 150 plus copies of Quick Center on both Reddit and Twitter. The rules of how to actually enter the giveaway are down below in the description if you want to check that out. I highly, highly, highly recommend it. Quick Center is an awesome tweak. Even if you're not jailbroken, you can go ahead and grab it for yourself for when the iOS 10 jailbreak comes out. Why not? Anyway, guys, that pretty much wraps up today's video. I just wanted to show you guys that you don't need the Pangu app, the PP jailbreak app, or a PG client. You can just use this. Obviously, if you're already in a jailbroken state, this isn't really going to do too much for you. But anyway, I still think that this is super, super cool. And I can't believe that I'm making a video and Luca's name is in it. It's just crazy. It's crazy to think that he actually released something. He did help with releases in the past, but he never actually released something publicly that a user, like a legitimate user that doesn't know how to code, could actually use. Anyway, guys, that pretty much wraps up today's video. If you did enjoy today's video, please make sure to slap a like on it. Also, put a like on it for this awesome, awesome permanent jailbreak method for iOS 9.2 through 9.3.3. You don't need any more of those side-loaded apps or App Store apps where you need to go into that Apple ID. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, this is David signing out. Peace. Wow. Luca Tedesco. Man, can't believe he actually released something for once. Good job, dude!